English to French, vegetables and fruits.
Onion,
Garlic,
ail,
potato,
patat,
cucumber,
kokom,
tomato,
tomat, salad, salad,
grapes,
raisin,
orange, orange.
apple, pomme.
For watching my video, like and share and subscribe and goodbye!